Hello guys, I'm here. You know my name. Who am I? So, how are you all? And today, here among you all, I think you all will be fine. You all are fine. Yes. So, it's my third video on this series, on my series. Nowadays, math tricks, brainstorming. That's my third video on series and in this video, I was just talking about how maths is related to nature. And so, are you ready to know about the incredible facts how the math is related to the nature? So, guys, can you believe? Can you ever saw in your nature ever how maths is connected with the nature? Can you see any dot ever before? I will just talking about in this video. Let me know in the comment box. Okay. So I was in the previous video I said about some TEDx videos on maths. So one video was about how maths connected with nature. So in this video I saw that before seeing a sunflower. Yeah, in the sunflower where madhumakki madhumakki sit, where madhumakki will sit, set, जहाँ मधुमक्खी बैठती है, there very small dots. In this there were juice that madhumakki will eat, drink. That small dot was situated. वो क्या कहते हैं, एक मिनट सॉरी. ओके, मैं इसे काट दूंगा पर इसके जोड़ना नहीं है, नादा नहीं है तो मैं ठीक है. वो क्या कहते हैं क्या, मतलब एक मिनट. Dear set, yeah. You saw the butterfly. So, have you ever seen a sunflower? In this sunflower, in the middle, there were many insects were set on its middle part on the sunflower, and they drink the juice. The juices sweetener inside this sunflower. And many types of insects were set on it. The middle part of that sunflower was set as a very and this middle part is and this middle parts dots, their particles, is set as a mathematical concept. Yeah, the sunflower. Have you ever know this? And sorry man, cutting.